Hey guys, well, here's the truck I've been working on. Did some work on it this past weekend and got some sides on. So, just getting it ready. Have to, the door there is kind of wonky. I'm not too sure what the hell's wrong with it. Anyways, it's an end jump, what do you expect? So yeah, just getting this ready here. I had a girlfriend come by, we did some work on it. But then my drill packed it in, so I couldn't finish it. So you gotta finish here, hole here, and just get it done. So, almost ran out of bolts too, so I had to deal with that bullshit. So, yep, looks pretty good. So, I'll have to do these, cut them down, and hit them with a punch too, so they won't back off. Yeah, so it's come along pretty good.